Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Sri Kavya, postgraduate from Department of General Medicine, Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Nellore. On the occasion of World Family Doctors Day, today I am here to share my views regarding World Family Doctors Day. First of all, let us know who is a family doctor. A family doctor is one who is uniquely trained in the healthcare of a person throughout his life from birth to old age, and also mainly focuses on healthcare needs of the entire family and also refers the patients to specialists if needed. WONCA is the World Organization of Family Doctors, founded in 1972. World Family Doctors Day, which is on May 19th, is a day to highlight and acknowledge the role and contribution of family doctors in provision of personal, comprehensive and continuous healthcare to all the people globally. The first World Family Doctors Day was first declared by WONCA in 2010. Since then, it has been gaining momentum each year through activities, meetings and celebrations held to give importance to contributions of family doctors, to recognize family doctors, to improve the morale of family doctors, and also to highlight the important issues related to family doctors and the work they do in the supportive healthcare to serve the people all over the world. This year, World Family Doctors Day theme is to build the future with family doctors. And the 4 pillars that help to build the future with family doctors are primary healthcare system, patients, new technologies, and it's you. You need to get involved, raise your voice, share your efforts and activities, and contribute to build the future with family doctors. Also, primary healthcare system working in association with multidisciplinary healthcare professionals also help to build the future with family doctors. Newer technologies amid the COVID-19 pandemic has become a basic fundamental tool for healthcare professionals to carry out their mission. Through this platform, today I would like to highlight 3 important aspects related to family doctors. The first thing is, how do family doctors help to strengthen the healthcare system? Family doctors do help to strengthen the healthcare system through screening and triage at primary level, which is a prerequisite for rational use of human and financial resources. Also, primary healthcare is cost effective and is not least when there is a qualified trained doctor on board who can diagnose and treat over a broad medical and psychological range. Thus, a good healthcare can be provided to the people and unnecessary hospital admissions can be avoided. And the second thing I would like to highlight is the role of family doctors during the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has made fractures in our healthcare system more visible, and a family doctor is in prime position to identify the basic primary healthcare needs of the people and also bridge the gap between the health and the social care and also the primary and secondary healthcare. And the third thing I would like to highlight is how can family doctors help to build a better future? Building back after pandemic is definitely taking efforts at all levels. And the family doctors are key players in preparedness for future health crisis. Also, family doctors will be there for follow-up on chronic care and also help the people who had been in need of care all through the pandemic. Thus, family doctors help to build a resilient health system which can handle the future health crisis. So finally, to conclude, this World Family Doctors Day is a great opportunity to cherish all the work done by the family doctors and also to challenge ourselves to build a better future with family doctors. So let's build a future so that no one person is left behind and primary healthcare is available to all. Thank you.